In this tutorial, we're going to be downloading the Tassta app on an iOS device. So first of all, we need to go to our browser, and in the browser type tassta.com. I'm using the Safari browser for this, but we've also tested Firefox and Google Chrome, and they both work with downloading this app. Navigate to the download page, scroll on down to T-Flex mobile app for Apple, and select the latest version, which is version 5 in this case. Select install. Once the Tassta app has installed, we have to then go and make it a trusted app in our iPhone settings. If you try and open it up straight away, it won't work. It will come up with this message, untrusted enterprise developer. So we need to go to our settings, go to general, and then scroll on down to profiles and device management. Then select the Tassta GmbH and click Trust Tassta GmbH and Trust. Now that's been trusted, that we can now go and open it up straight away. Our last step is to allow the Tassta app access to the device's microphone, Bluetooth, camera, mobile data and location. Allowing access to these is important because you cannot use the app properly without them. For more information or help, go to g6global.com. That's G6-global.com. Thank you for watching.